Hello everyone, welcome to Shaheen's Kitchen. Today I am going to make a very yummy snack. Festivals are on the way. This is very simple to prepare. Chana dal or gram dal. I have soaked it for 3-4 hours with a little bit. This is 1 cup of gram dal. You can see it has become tender. I have soaked it with little bit of soda. You can soak it in baking powder also without salt. And now I have washed it and we have to remove water, pat dry, so that you will get good result, just like this with kitchen towel. This is a mixture of coriander and mint, a handful of mint leaves because it is very strong, fresh, and a cup of coriander. I will going to microwave it till it becomes crisp. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. I'll do it for 2 minutes, rest it, then again for 2 minutes, and then I'll show you. The other things we require are sugar, teaspoon, 4 teaspoon.
This is half a teaspoon of citric acid granules. We have to grind it together.
Chaat masala, red chili powder, and plain salt. That's all, and oil for frying. So let us keep it in microwave. So friends, it took exactly 4 minutes and you can see it has become dried without losing its beautiful color, and we will grind it together with sugar, chaat masala and citric acid in a mixie jar. So let us grind it and prepare a powder of it. Here's sugar, citric acid, chaat masala powder, plain salt according to taste. We can adjust the quantity after tasting it, and red chili powder also according to your taste. And let us grind it to a fine powder. So friends, here's my powder which we will coat on our fried chana dal is ready. Keep it aside. Now take a deep wok, and I have got this spoon for frying. If you don't have, don't worry, you can fry it simply like that. It is ready to handle chana dal or any chuda for frying. So here's oil. Within 10 minutes it has dried completely. You can also keep it under fan to get quickly dry. Now try it with 1 or 2 dal to see whether your oil is ready or not. Yes, it's ready. Keep your flame on medium, and now we will place it like this. You will stir in between. Now you can see the texture, it is getting dried, and there is still 1 minute more. You can touch it and see. Now strain the extra oil like this. It is very easy to handle while frying, and your oil is very neat. Do a preparation like this to absorb extra oil, and spread it like this, and take another batch. So friends, it took about 15 minutes to fry 1 cup of dal. It takes little patience, and this is the color we require. That's all. Carefully strain the extra oil. Put off the flame. Take a container or a bowl. Put your fried dal into this bowl, and now we'll add this powder. We will add 3 teaspoons and cover the lid like this, so that it will uniformly coated on. So friends, here's Khatta Meetha Chana Dal with the wonderful flavors of coriander and mint is ready. You can definitely give a try. There's still time for Holi, and I'm sure you're going to love it. And if you are left with some of the powder, you can use it afterwards also. When it is cool, you can store it in an airtight container. And please do subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your cooking. Like and subscribe my channel.